this weekend, I got to do something pretty amazing. I got to go to a burn party, or a bonfire party, with my friend Diamond Doom. And we went there. It was my dad's friend's birthday, and it was so much fun. We got to spend the whole day outside doing crazy activities, and I'm going to bring you guys along and show you what I did last Saturday. So if you've seen my 500 subscriber special, I do the egg roulette challenge with Diamond Doom at this farm, and this farm is the exact same place that the burn party's happening at. And the two people who own it, their names are Tony and Julie, and Julie's the one who's celebrating her birthday. Tony, actually, he's like a hardcore hunter and fisherman, and he has this nice piece of land and a bunch of really cool activities set. But this place is like an hour away from where I live. So we started off, we picked up Diamond Doom, and then we went out to Wendy's. Okay, so I got Diamond Doom, just grabbed a bite to eat at Wendy's. Now we're gonna head out to go to a couple places, and then we can go to the burn party. We had to get San Pellegrino and Starburst. Okay, we're at Walmart now, just grabbing some stuff for the burn party. You cannot film an average row video with Diamond Doom without some good old Starburst.
Of course, we need San Pellegrino as well.
Here we go, we have it.
Yay. We're here.
So after we got our winter gear on, we made our way down to the farm, and there were a couple of pretty cool things happening. There were these dogs running around all over the place, so it was pretty cool that people decided to bring their dogs. There were a couple of snowmobiles there, which was pretty exciting, and the bonfire was just starting up. There was like a little bit of a flame, but it wasn't really going yet, so me and Diamond Doom helped out, like putting on firewood and snapping branches to put them on to actually get the fire going for the event. We also got to see this pig on a spit being cooked, which was pretty neat. I've never seen that before. Maybe a bit gross if you don't like seeing animals being cooked, but definitely something that I've never seen before. So after we sort of got settled in and had a look around, we decided that we wanted to play with these rockets that I've had for a little while. Actually, I forgot to mention, on the way into the farm, one of the places that I stopped at was this hobby shop to get these like cool rockets that launch into the air like really high up. They're a lot of fun, and we decided to launch one, and this thing is crazy. It goes hundreds of feet up into the air, and there was a wind that day though, and we had to sort of like guess which way to tilt the thing that it shoots off of. And when we launched one of them, it ended up just totally blowing away from where we went, and we had to sort of go on a little adventure to find it.
Did they take anything out inside? Oh, okay.
Okay.
So we're on the sleigh ride right now, and we have to hop off the sleigh ride at one point to go and find a rocket. Oh my god, a rocket that we lost. So we're gonna try to find it, but This is gonna be a bit of a challenge. Got Diamond Doom with me. Okay, so I am out in like the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, we're still looking for the rocket.
Still looking for it.
And
Whoa.
there goes the snowmobile.
That is really loud. So we're gonna start looking for this.
Their friend Dante, I love them. Big fan of them, super big. And when they see me shoot,
There you go. So Ron,
and I'm 8 years old.
so we're. Oh, be careful.
2 days ago was my birthday.
Okay, we failed. Couldn't find it, so we're heading back. Now I have to do some scaling of the fence right here. Okay. So at some point later on in the afternoon, me and Diamond Doom were offered the opportunity to go on a snowmobile, and it was so much fun.
Okay, have fun.
That's so cool. But the funny thing was, the guy who let me go on the snowmobile with him, and by the way, I have never been on a snowmobile. I was expecting to just go on it, be in the back, and then he drives it around, and I just sort of get to see what it feels like. But no, he lets me drive, and I mean, I've driven a go-kart before, but this was completely different. It was bigger, it was quicker, and it was so much fun in the snow. I had a great time, and it was definitely one of the biggest highlights of the whole time there.
I see so very clearly now. All my fears are drifting by me so closely now, fading away. Can say
That was so much fun. I actually got to drive it. That was so cool. I feel like I'm vibrating right now because it was it was buzzing so much. Diamond Doom's actually getting a go to drive it right now and catch him going by now.
stay with you if you stay with me. Just one single cheer in each passing year that will be.
So after a bunch of playing around and going on snowmobiles and hanging out around the bonfire, it was finally time for dinner, and I was starving. But the really cool thing about this dinner was that it was actual game that Tony hunted, which was the coolest. And there were a bunch of really awesome things like pulled bear, which was real legit bear. There was goose balls, which is like meatballs made out of goose. Venison vindaloo, which is like a deer curry. And then, of course, that pig that was on a spit, which was absolutely delicious. And there were many other things to eat, and I definitely ate my fill. And to add to the whole experience, there was a live performance at the other end of the tent that I was in, which was awesome. It was truly a really great dinner. I'm starving. How about you?
I'm so hungry.
My favorite dog.
Sing along if you want to. Sitting in the morning sun, I'll be sitting when the evening comes, watching ships roll in, then I'll watch them roll away again. Sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide.
So I have a really, really cool dinner right here.
I have some potato salad, mac and cheese. Then I have some. This was the pig that was on the spit earlier. That's that. Nice bun. And then I have some meatballs made out of goose with a bit of rice. So big dinner, but it's gonna be good. Let's dig in.
It was one of the nicest dinners that I've had in a while, and it was very interesting to be eating game like that.
Don't worry.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Right behind me, it's up in my face.
Happy birthday, dear Julie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Where's that jar? I'll put $5 in.
So I was really looking forward to the fireworks, and they definitely did not disappoint. There were so many of them, and it was a really great show.
My heart is on the table. Somebody's gotta try. I'm feeling unable, don't you know it? I don't wanna say goodbye. All my life, waiting for something that's right. One more night, trying to stop the morning light. I don't wanna say goodbye.
Okay guys, I hope they enjoyed this video. A big thank you to Tony and Julie for inviting me and my dad and Diamond Doom out to your party. I had a blast there. It was so much fun. And thank you to Diamond Doom for tagging along. It was great to have you. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. A comment would be appreciated. And if you enjoyed this video and you think your friends or family would enjoy it as well, make sure to share this video with them. And I'll see you guys next time. So after a bunch of playing around and hanging out around the fire and going on snowmobiles, So after a bunch of hanging out around the fire and going on snowmobiles and having fun, wait, what? Okay guys, I hope they enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun. Did you?
Yeah, I had so much fun eating.
Yeah.
I think with my stomach.
The food was good. There was a massive bonfire, sleigh rides, like, whoa.
Mother of pearl!